Never say no auto, we say yes!
Take a ride in the 2017 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, electronic parking brake, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, remote engine start. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Come see us at Never Say No Auto in Springfield on Glenstone across from Evangel, or in Bolivar, 1 block south of Walmart.
Never say no